Hello guys and welcome back to Get Set Python. I know it's been quite a long time since I've made a video, but now since I'm getting holidays, we'll be having videos more frequently, and let's quickly finish off this OpenWeatherMap API project, and we have more videos lined up in this coming vacations. So let's get started. So in our previous video we saw how we can use OpenWeatherMap API in Python and get the data using city name. And now we will use another feature of this API, that is by geographic locations. So previously I made a video on how to get your geographic coordinates using Python. So if you haven't watched this video, I'll add it in the description below. And we will use that code to find the geographic coordinates, and then we will use those geographic coordinates in our Python script to use this OpenWeatherMap API feature. So as you can see that this was our previous OpenWeatherMap API URL, where we were having q is equal to our city name. Like if we put Delhi here, we'll get the data, but you can see that this API call is a bit different, where after this question mark we have lat is equal to, and here we will be having our latitude, and lon is equal to the longitude value. So if you just copy this and paste it here, we have this thing right here. Or we can make changes in this one, like lat is equal to our value, so let's put 77.22, and lon is equal to 28.7, and let's see where we have reached. Well, I don't know where it is, so let's try with some known coordinates. So here we are having coordinates of Connaught Place, that is 77.22 and 28.65. So if we just make this change, I don't know what is happening here. Let's try it again. Weather question mark. I seriously don't know what's happening. Let's try to figure it out. 77. Oops. I think I just messed up with the whole thing, and we have longitude. So we have longitude is equal to 77.22 and latitude is this thing, and you can see that we've got the correct results, that is Connaught Place, and with latitude this and longitude this, we've got all the details, that is temperature, humidity, pressure, minimum, maximum, visibility, wind speed, etc. And if we just do this thing with Delhi, you can see that all the details are essentially similar to the one right here. So this is how OpenWeatherMap API works with latitude and longitude. Let's see how we can use this in our Python code. So here first of all we will import request library. Okay, let me just copy the code of the first video. This will make things much quicker. So we don't need city name anymore. We don't need this print thing, and in the URL we just have to make few changes. So first of all we have to copy this URL and paste it in right here. in quotes of course. And since these are the I just messed up with this one and we have to copy this one actually. So let me just correct this one, and here we go. And if we just run this script, you can see that we got all our results correct, and this one will be matching with the data here. Okay, let's try with data of some other city, that is, let's say Mumbai. Okay, so we have 19.07 as our latitude and 72.87 as our longitude and 19.07 as our latitude. And getting this data from latitude will be more accurate than the one with city name, because it will pinpoint to the exact location using latitudes and longitudes, but more or less the data will be same. So you can see that we got temperature, that is 31, and all the details, and if you see closely, this whole thing matches with our Mumbai details too, apart from latitude and longitude of course, because there is a slight change in the exact latitude longitude values of these two places. So this is how OpenWeatherMap API works with latitude and longitude, and you saw that we just have a minute change in our URL to get this thing, but you can see that this latitude is hard coded here, and what we want is we want to dynamically pass the latitude and longitude values of our location. And as I said earlier, we have latitude and longitude both available from our previously written script, that is this one. So what we will do is we will use this script and copy this data right here and paste it here. So just cleaning this up. So we just need latitude and longitude, and the whole tutorial for this video is available on my channel, and I'll add it in the description too. So in this way we got our latitude and longitude. Now we just have to pass it in here, and as you know that we will use dot format function, and the first value is latitude, which is stored in the variable latitude that extracts data using this thing, and second value is our longitude, and rest of the things are same. So let's see how this works, and waiting. So you can see that we have combined two scripts, that is, first one was to get the location parameters, and this second part is to use the OpenWeatherMap API. I think my internet connection is not working. Let me just disconnect and connect it again, and there it is. You can see that we've got 32 degrees Celsius in Delhi. Because I'm staying in Delhi, let's get it correct here, and with Delhi we have and I just missed it. We have 32 degrees Celsius data, and we have 1.74 wind speed. Let's see. 1.74 wind speed. This is our latitude and longitude. And as I said that this latitude longitude is actually more accurate than this city thing, because it will get the latitude and longitude of the city and not the exact latitudes. And the description is here, of course, because the data is very much similar. So you saw how we can use different types of API calls to get data in different manner. This was our first one using the city name, and this is our second one using the latitude and longitude. And in the next video we will see how we can combine these two features and add some more functions to make it look much cleaner and organized. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned, bye bye, and have fun with Python.